In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. Whether you're organizing a list, managing data, or creating an interactive form, drop-down lists can be a wonderful tool to streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into it. First, we'll start by opening a Google Sheet. If you haven't already, navigate to Google Sheets and open the sheet you'll be working with today. This is our starting point, and having your data organized will help you visualize the context of where a drop-down list might be helpful. Next, identify the cell or cells where you want your drop-down list to appear. Click and drag your cursor to select these cells. This selection will help us specify exactly where our drop-down menu will reside, ensuring we place it in just the right spot. Now, with the cells highlighted, right-click to bring up the context menu. It's here that you'll find an option that says Drop-Down. Go ahead and select this option. Activating the drop-down menu feature will bring up a data validation panel on the right side of your screen. In the Data Validation Rules panel, you'll see a field labeled Enter Values. This is where you can type in the options you want to appear in your drop-down. For instance, if you're creating a list of days, you might type Monday, Tuesday, and so on. This direct input method keeps your list flexible and straightforward. If you need to add additional items, you can either hit Enter or click Add Another Item to make sure all your desired options are included. This functionality allows you to expand and tailor your list as needed, providing the user with appropriate choices without overwhelming them. For a bit more personalization, you can assign colors to your drop-down options by clicking on the colored circle next to each entry. This is great for visual differentiation and can help in quickly recognizing different selections as you work through your spreadsheet. Once you're satisfied with your selections and any custom colors you've added, simply click on Done. Your drop-down list is now fully functional and ready to use. You can test it out by clicking on any of the cells within the highlighted area to see the options you set up. For those who want to create a range-based list, simply highlight your cells again. Right-click, select Drop-Down again, and in the menu, choose Drop-Down from a range. Click the grid icon next to the text field to manually select the range of cells that contain the data you want to use for your list. This is particularly useful if your data frequently updates or if you prefer maintaining all information in one neat area of your sheet. Lastly, remember you still have the option to color your list items by clicking on the colored circles, and finish with a click on Done. By following these steps, you've now successfully created dynamic, user-friendly drop-down lists in Google Sheets. Happy organizing!